question.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be teaching you guys the Birds of a Feather dance, and that's the song. So all you need to do is search up the Birds of a Feather dance. So I'm quickly going to do the Birds of a Feather dance. Ah! I'm sorry, I put it, but can you spell?
Okay.
I'm sorry guys, I'm so super sorry.
Okay. Bird.
I'm so sorry, I'm just, you don't understand guys.
Okay, got it.
Thank you. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go like this. They're gonna go like this, and then you're gonna go like this. So you're gonna go out, in, but your arms are gonna push down. So ready? 1, 2. And after that, you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna go to me. After that, is basically my girls, my family. So my girls are gonna go like this. And you're gonna cross on fam. So my girls, my family. And then stronger. So you're gonna do muscles, stronger, and then number. Basically it's like 1, 2, 3. But you're not gonna do this. You're only doing 1, 2, 3. So basically your arms are twisting. And then after that, stronger number, there's no wonder. You're gonna, basically your arms are gonna be crossed, and you're gonna do this. Watch out, like basically, watch out to the world. Boom! So watch out, up, down, sling. Come closer.
Okay.
So you're gonna do like, your feet are gonna be like this, and yeah. Come stand right there so you can record me. It's gonna be even better. So yeah. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna do up, down, sling, and this arm is gonna be like that. So up, down, sling, da, 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 and then you're gonna reverse. So you're gonna do, and your legs are gonna do. So ready? And now after this, you're gonna go come back. So your leg is basically going like this, and then this legs are going around, and then you're walking back to the rhythm. I'm in chorus. Okay, the favorite part of our dance is the chorus. Why are you doing that? It's the chorus. So the first chorus is gonna be easy. So these are the hands. So you're just gonna slide to the right, slide to the left, and then so basically it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after that your legs are gonna go. Basically your arms are gonna go up and down, and your legs are gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. So like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then after that. You're gonna turn around, clap, and your hands are gonna be like this, backing up, and then you're backing up. So yeah, and then sorry. So can we do the song for a minute?
Yep. Let's go.
I'm sorry, guys.
Guys, I'm a bad cameraman, but
Camera girl.
yeah, camera girl, my man. Oh my god. Still have my shoes on. I don't know why. Gonna take them on soon after Taekwondo video. Or should I do it now? I'll take one. Thank you.
Okay, never mind.
No.
So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So that.
Taekwondo, why are you doing that?
And then you're gonna do 1, 2. So from the beginning.
Comment down
Ready?
below if you're
Sweaty,
wondering
boy.
why I said Taquana, why are you doing that?
Okay, go like that. Connor, you're blocking it.
I know. I can't.
So you're gonna do 1 from the beginning. Listen up now, listen to me, like it's my family. Stronger now, brothers, no wonder. Watch out and see. There's no banana like in our game. Come back, we are like a boomerang. We fly so high, we fly together, We are girl gang. Birds up for there, fly so high. We fly together, We are girl gang. Birds up for there, And then your hands are gonna go like this. Then you're gonna go time goes by. One more time. Time goes by. And then your legs are gonna be like this. Come closer. Your legs are gonna be like this. They're gonna be basically switching like that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the beginning, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and then time goes by, and then.
Do you want to try with the music now?
Yeah, let's try with the music now.
The final review. See if people like it or not. Just chance. Wait, Taquana.
Yeah, let's.
That's just a commercial.
Wait, hold up. It's not the one.
You know you don't have to eat the salt and vinegar chips anymore. Actually, I kind of like them. Hey, girls. Look what I got.
By the way, that's TK.
Listen up now, listen to me, my girls and my family. Stronger in numbers, it's no wonder. Watch our world, watching we'll see. There's no stopping us and our gang. Come back for you, like a boomerang. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather.
Say goodbye to talk to the music moments with the click. Come back for you.
Squad goals, give me other feels. Fresh head to toe, you already know the deal. The name is TK, big boss at a wave. Cool to the school, still swagging every day. Winning every day, 100 in every way.
Oh my gosh.
Is that TK on the track?
Hair slicked back in my new Jason. And I'm always bumping chicken cause
My favorite song.
Thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and also go check out my channel, Princess Tasha. So
And make sure to comment down below
Below.
what's your
Your
favorite
favorite
song.
song.
If you do, you'll get a shout out.
the shout out goes to nobody right now. But I have something to say to you guys. By the way, I am a real YouTuber. I'm not hacking anybody. Please, if anybody got hacked or anybody uses crutches, I'm so sorry.
Why would you say that to God?
But make today an adventure. Bye!